now end up on YouTube and let me know if you're going to be able to see it. Donc, si vous êtes là présentement, juste aller sur YouTube puis dites-moi si vous voyez tout ça. Là. Technically, it should be there. Oh, now I'm sharing my, yeah, sorry. So that should be this. And, okay, let me put this in another window like this. And let's do this, I guess. Okay, so that makes sense. Okay, there's a little delay, but yeah, I think that's, yeah, seems good.
Can we send our charts to the YouTube?
No, you can still send it to YouTube to Zoom for now.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, that's great. Awesome. So it works. Quality seems to be pretty decent. All right.
Hello.
Hey, good morning, Ellie.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. So yeah, I'm a little early because I was doing some tests to make sure that I'm able to stream on Zoom at the same time. So this is the first time we're gonna have the Franglish Zoom on YouTube. So yeah, there's a little delay, but I guess it's pretty legit, right? Donc, je suis un petit peu d'avance ce matin parce que je devais faire un petit test pour Zoom. Puis, on va commencer dans 7 minutes. So, we're going to start officially in 7 minutes and we're going to start breaking down charts and see the game plan for today.
Yeah, boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Que ça a l'air... si je mets ça là,
Morning, people.
Est-ce qu'on voit ça?
Ouais, c'est sur YouTube.
Ouais, j'essaie juste de voir comment sur YouTube je peux avoir toutes les fenêtres de ceux avec qui j'ai interagi.
Hey,
Je vais aller voir live.
Y en a-tu qui ont déposé sur Black Bull, là, pas long?
Ouais, moi. Il y a pas long. Attends, peut-être mes écouteurs sont dead. Là.
Ben, sinon, t'as sûrement fait ça par virement bancaire.
Il y a pas long, je ne sais pas, par exemple. Fait que là, on voit juste un rectangle noir.
Ouais.
Okay.
Ben, en fait, ma seule question, c'est juste... il faut vraiment passer, genre, faut que tu ailles voir ta banque. Tu leur ramènes le... En tout cas, là, j'ai fait imprimer ce qu'il faut faire imprimer. Ouais, puis tu leur présentes ça.
Ouais, pour l'instant. Mais en fait, PayPal n'a pas fonctionné pour toi ou ils l'ont déjà enlevé?
Non, ils l'ont enlevé,
OK, bon. Puis moi, j'ai parlé avec mon account manager, puis il devrait avoir e-transfer probablement janvier. Fait que ça s'en vient. Là. Mais pour l'instant, oui, c'est un transfert international. Tu fais une facture. Tu prends un screenshot ou une photo de la facture ou du reçu du frais de 40 $, puis ils vont te le créditer sur ton compte. Fait que, mettons, tu déposes 2000 $, tu vas avoir 2040 dans ton Black Bull.
Oui, OK, attends une minute. Le frais de 40, c'est...
C'est un frais de transfert international.
Non, ça, je comprends. Sauf que je veux dire, c'est où ça que tu vas avoir ça à prendre en screenshot?
Ils vont te le donner. Ils vont te donner un reçu, là. Ils vont te donner un reçu.
Desjardins, ça?
Ton transfert. Prends une photo, puis tu y envoies.
Desjardins, ça, tu parles?
Ouais, quand tu vas aller à ta banque, peu importe la banque, là,
Ouais, peu importe, là, mais
peu
OK.
importe ta banque, tu fais ton transfert international, puis ils vont te charger, généralement, c'est entre 40 et 60 pièces. Puis pour le transfert international, puis tu prends une photo du reçu, puis tu l'envoies à Black Bull, puis ils vont te le créditer.
Ben, parce que mon gars, je me fendais à coût de 500$ à la carte de crédit. Là. C'était BS.
Ah non,
Ça allait pas bien.
non, c'est terrible. Là. Trying to see how I can manage the quality on Zoom, on YouTube.
Je pense que c'est nous qui décident à quelle qualité on veut l'écouter, right?
Ah, moi, il était quand même en qualité. Là.
Ouais, c'est bon la qualité. Ah, ok, c'est peut-être moi, je pense qu'il l'avait pas setupé.
Ouais, c'est ça, si t'es à 480 ou peu importe. Là.
J'ai mis 720.
Ouais, 720.
Ok, ah ouais, c'est plus clean. Là. Ok. So, essayez de garder vos
Thumbs
écrans.
up!
Essayez de garder une fenêtre ouverte dans YouTube juste pour se garder des gens dessus. So, if you can keep a window open in YouTube for now, just to make sure that everything is okay. J'ai compris.
On my YouTube, the chart is clean, very good quality.
Yeah, okay, that's it. I just activated the chat. It wasn't open yet. So, okay, so good morning, Sasha Mike. Good morning. Hey, Sasha, big fan of yours. Try and get on most of your simulation Zooms. Oh, thank you, Rory. Welcome to YouTube, Sasha. Thank you, Laura. Yeah, first time on YouTube. So hopefully that goes well, you know. But that's going to be my first time trying to manage two chats. So bear with me.
Ils viennent de partial TP, les boys, finally.
Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah, we got a cowboy here.
J'ai mis 2%, puis j'ai double order.
Mark the stash cowboy took a trade. So, but that's good. You took it to trade like based on this candle?
Yep, I entered two positions of 2% each on the close, and I let it right down partial TP at 11 pips.
Wow.
Pretty stressful right now. But like now I'm stress-free running 12 pips and expecting the H1 a week. Yeah,
so
and through wheelchair opening? Move. Yeah.
Yep. You enter on this opening candle?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. I didn't took it because of this this major key level and the fact that we add this minor resistance and this resistance right there. So that's what kind of scared me. And we were rejecting this level a couple times already, but that's a good trade, man. Good job.
Yeah. Pretty stoked on that.
Pretty good. Donc, félicitations, Mark.
Yeah. Mark the stash.
Mark the stash. Because if you look at H1, I mean, looking at H1, I mean, we rejected like 139 twice. I was like, nah, probably not going to retrace back up, come back here, create resistance at 250 and shoot back down. If we close, if this H1 or this next 30-minute close under 139, yeah, we're going to see a move down again. But again, we got this support here that we need to break and close under. So that's why I didn't took it, but man, well managed. All right, so now let's start some. Yeah, it's 6:30, so technically we officially start on YouTube. All right. 720, c'est parfait, mon ami. OK, parfait pour la qualité. Super. Gulag 2, test, Andrew, yes. Franglish Gulag, yes, sir. Hello, Sasha. Hello, everyone. Sasha, when you have 1,000 subscriber, sound the alarm. I will. And we're going to get the song. Hopefully we don't get banned of YouTube if I play that song, but we got a special song now when we win. So yeah. All right. So let's do this breakdown here. All right. Donc, on va faire le breakdown du jour. And after that, I'm going to go take a look at your chart, guys. All right. So this is the monthly, right? Donc ça c'est le mois. So if you take a look, I mean this monthly, I mean been trending bearish for a while. I mean since like 2018, almost 2018, yeah. So I mean, oh well. So this monthly candle already broke previous high. I mean, so technically, somewhere in this month, I mean, we should start pushing back up. We create a support here. So probably gonna shoot up a little bit and start back down, I guess. Of course, if we this monthly start breaking this high, I mean, it's gonna be a sign for the upside. But I don't think we're gonna see that until like major vaccine news and the economy starting back up, and we'll see. So anyways, ce que je disais sur le monthly, c'est que présentement, on était sur un bearish trend. Je pense pas qu'on va continuer bien plus haut que ce qu'on a là présentement. Je pense qu'on pourrait devenir créer une résistance autour d'ici et continuer à descendre, mais ça, c'est pour du long terme. Donc, maintenant, si on regarde le weekly, donc si on regarde le chart de la semaine. So, guys, if it's your first time here, don't worry. You're not going to miss anything. I'm bouncing from French to English. I'm going to be translating everything. Don't worry. Québécois Goulag, yes. Can you explain the QPs in GJ? Please talk English. Yes, it's your first time. Don't worry. I bounce from French to English. So, yes, I will explain QPs. All right, so let's start with the weekly. So weekly right now, I mean, it's on an uptrend. We kind of create that people likes market structure. You guys probably like that double bottom right here and start pushing back up. The weeklies hit that kind of resistance now and start coming back down. This weekly already broke previous low. So technically this weekly should continue down. It would make sense. We are Thursday now. So, I mean, yeah. So technically, we should continue down. Donc, présentement, sur le chart de la semaine, pour les gens qui aiment les market structures, vous avez vu qu'on bon, a un beau petit cute double bottom. Cette chandelle-là a déjà brisé le low précédent, donc le bas précédent. Donc, techniquement, cette chandelle-là devrait continuer vers le bas. Okay? On a respecté le haut précédent. So, taking a look at the daily. Taking a look at the daily right now, I mean, we kind of create a support here, and now this daily candle broke the support. So technically, I mean, this should continue down now, you know, and breaking 139, yeah, we should continue down. Donc maintenant, si on regarde au niveau du daily, si on regarde ici, la chandelle a brisé le low précédent, mais aussi brisé le support. Dans le fond, on avait un support ici à 139. Even, puis là, on l'a brisé. Okay, so donc, techniquement, cette chandelle-là devrait continuer vers le bas. Yeah. So looking at 4 hours, I mean, so far, I mean, pretty everything pointing bearish, right? So looking at 4 hour right now, if we look at 4 hour, we create resistance here. I mean, right now, we're tapping into 139 even, which is key level QP, major QP, and we're going to talk about that because we have some questions. But we are reaching now. This blue zone is zone in H1 that we're going to take a look at it. But incoming, we're going to get a H4 support pretty soon, you know. But technically, I mean, right now, this H4 just broke previous low, so technically, it should continue down, right? Donc maintenant, si on regarde sur le H4, cette chandelle-là a déjà brisé le bas précédent. Techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le bas. On doit juste faire sûr que cette chandelle-là ferme en bas de cette zone-là, puis en bas du lot précédent. On devrait continuer vers le bas. OK, donc tout pointe vers le bas présentement. Ouais. Pour les gens qui aiment les market structure encore, bon, on va voir sur le H1, on va peut-être avoir un super structure de shampoing. All right, so taking a look at H1 right now. So taking a look at H1, I mean, it's cleaner on H1 than 30 minutes right now, because when we're gonna take a look at 30 minutes, you're gonna see it's a little mess. But now H1, it looks clean. So looking at H1, I mean, we tapped twice into that 139 key level. We kind of rejected. So we'll see how this candle close. I want to see this candle closing under 139, and of course I would love to see it close under this zone, which is a minor support, on 30 minutes, right? But technically, again, I mean, everything is pointing towards the downside. So, si on regarde H1 présentement, on a tapé 2 fois dans 139, on a rejeté. Là, présentement, cette chandelle-là brise les 2 lots précédents, brise le 139. On essaie de briser cette zone-là, qui est une zone de 30 minutes. On va voir c'est bronze. C'est bronze. C'est brise. Mais ce que je veux, c'est surtout un close du 30 minutes ou du H1 en bas de 139. OK? Donc, je ne veux pas qu'il soit rejeté. Yeah. All right, looking at 30 minutes now. Looking at 30 minutes, I mean, this candle, this 30-minute just closed under 139, so that's a very good sign. We should retest that 139 like we did on this wick right now. So it's retesting at 139, and we should continue down technically. So just making sure that we need to break this minor support right here. And we're going to have clean traffic to at least this wick fill, which is also the 750 QP, right? So yeah. Let me just make sure that my magic key works here. Let's try this. Open cal. Yes, that works. So basically, there is one entry right now that I'm probably going to take while we break this low.
Yeah, we broke the low.
30 minutes.
Live. It's a good sign.
Yeah, so I took a small entry here.
Makes sense.
Probably going to take a second one when it retrace a little bit.
Tu mets ton stop où? Sur la current ou sur la previous close?
So my stop is above this current candle. Donc mon stop est en haut de celle-là. So remember, this trade is risky, guys. This is an impulse, so I don't really recommend for people taking this. This is because I saw this happen a lot, and I'm really comfortable taking this. But it's early for an impulse trade. I'm telling you guys, it's early. So just be patient, relax. It's not the best setup as we speak, okay? So that's why I took a small entry, only risking like 0.7-ish, so I'm not even risking 1% here, okay? So we got to be very careful because, I mean, we didn't close under this, so this is still risky. Yeah, where goes the wheelchair, Mark?
Holy shit.
I'm doing it for my boy Andrew, man. Let's go down.
Just for Andrew, man. So yeah.
I'm waiting for a week retest like we saw on I think Monday.
Yes.
Monday we had a nice rejection.
Okay, let me see the chat. Okay. Can you explain the QPs? Yes. Hello from Italy, Sasha. Hello, everyone. Hello. Italy. Let's go. All right. So let's take a look at charts. Oh, I need to put my partial TP. Hold on, wait a second. So let's.
On va aller Wakefield Asher, là, c'est trop clean. Pas le choix.
Hey, quand je parle, est-ce qu'on entend ma... Oh, shit! Damn!
Whoa.
Man, j'ai partial TP numéro 2 demain.
God damn. Went to 6 or 7 pips pretty quick.
S'il y a des annonces du Brexit, puis au lieu d'aller shoot up, on va crash down cette fois-ci, man, je serais-tu down?
Man, I feel like moving my partial to more pips now. That's crazy.
Jesus Christ.
Hold on. Yeah, this H1 Wickfield, that's gonna happen for sure. So,
Yeah.
where's my partials?
Hey, quand je parle, est-ce qu'on entend ma chaise?
Where is my partial?
Nah.
Non, hein, ok, c'est correct.
Yeah, we're so gonna Wickfill this. Hold on. Oh shit, partial TP it, guys.
Sasha, 10 pips, man.
There we go. God damn.
I
God.
close. I already close everything, and just only 0.5%. You know.
10
Nice
pips,
job,
baby.
boy.
Man.
Good job, man.
Okay, I'm done.
There
Bye.
you go, man.
Sleep! Go sleep right now.
So
I
first
can't-
trade. So first trade called ever on
Oh.
YouTube. First win. There we go.
I was a risky man.
It was a risky one.
trade.
It was a
It was a
risky
risky
one.
trade.
It was definitely a risky one. So
Morning, Sasha.
morning, guys. So
Yep,
I just
I
need
put
to
up them
make
2
sure
pips as well.
this- Yeah. Actually, my PTP didn't got hit because I was moving it as it broke. So I
Me
put
too,
it now is at 771. So just missing a tiny thing. So it's gonna give me, let's do this even 12 pips even.
Sasha, I don't want to be like Jimmy, but look at the 5 minute, how clean it was.
I don't
It!
guy says I don't want to be like Jimmy, but
Come on, man.
come on, man.
See, maybe I want to be like Jimmy. Jimmy's a profitable trader now.
Fun. That's
C'est une joke, Jimmy. Je t'aime.
so,
But Sash, for real, look at the 5 minute, how clean it was. And like, look at this. So it's beautiful.
yeah. But I still look at 5 minute and I get like
Non, je regarde tout le temps, mais
Don't use 5 minutes for breakout.
yeah, so I mean
that was pretty good.
where is this? Oh, here.
J'ai même pas le temps de prendre une photo de mon 10 pips.
And my cell phone died on me, so I need my iPad now. All right, so first trade called, first win.
Good job, Sash. Woohoo. Good job à Marcus. Mark.
The stash.
Mm-hmm.
Man, tu veux même pas savoir comment que j'avais là-dedans. Ben, je suis encore dedans, mais yo, j'avais double order mon 2% parce que je voulais.
T'avais combien? Fait que t'avais 4%?
Yeah, j'avais 4% là-dedans.
Damn!
Avec 15 pips de stop.
Eesh.
Yep. Je te dis, si j'avais main moite, fallait que j'aille chalker à chaque 3 minutes.
T'es rentré à quel t'es-tu rentré au break du lot du previous candle?
Non, je suis rentré au close à 139,029. Fait que direct sur 139, j'ai rentré, j'étais comme, c'est peut-être con. C'est peut-être con.
Ok. Ah, puis là, en plus, le retrace, genre 5 pips, non?
Non, j'ai retrace de mon entrée, j'ai retrace
3 pips.
2 pips.
Ok.
Sur MT4.
Mon entry, c'est un peu con comme un peu, là, c'est 138. 898. Non, c'est pas super.
138.
Au break du lot.
Au break du lot, ok.
Yeah.
898?
Attends, là. Ben non, attends. Je suis plus dedans, là. J'ai
Ok,
mon
ok.
petit, là. Attends, c'est 893. 893, ouais.
Ah, ok. Sur le setup à Satch, là. Ok, moi, je suis rentré le close de 6 heures.
Ah, ok, ouais, fait que là, wow, ok, t'as fait ton 15 pips, là.
Yeah, je roule 15 live.
Okay.
Ouais, plus là.
Non, je crois que t'as fait
14,9.
Ah, ok, ah oui, c'est vrai, toi, t'es rentré plus haut. Hein.
Yeah.
All right, so it looks like the runner's gonna get stopped at break even. I'm stuck at 4 pips now with my runner. So.
Yeah, me too. 4 pips.
All right, so sorry guys, we had some action here, so I didn't take a look at your chart. So let's go back up in the chat. So all right, so first chart from Andrew, right here.
You're late, man.
I know. I'm sorry, dude.
It already happened. It's not valid anymore.
It's not valid anymore. Yeah, okay. Yeah, sorry. It's definitely not valid. Buys is definitely not valid at this point. Looking for self, it closed below. Definitely clean traffic. Yes, makes sense. All right. Sorry, guys. Maybe keep the YouTube chat flowing and busy and also post here. Yes. C'est bon, you're live. Can you post your YouTube link? My YouTube link is in my bio on Instagram. And it's also, yeah, it's on Instagram. Oops. What's that? Oops. All right. Oh, wait a minute. Here. All right. All right. So next chart right here. All right. That's coming from Ellie. So Ellie, here goes downtrend, resistance. No, let's start here. Support 30-minute. Yes. Support H1. Yes. Downtrend, resistance. I will not sell here either. I have a confirmation on 30-minute because I sell the low of H1. You are 100% correct. You know, that's why it was risky. So this entry was super risky. The one I took. Jimmy. All right, Jimmy on G. Oh, runner got stopped out at break even. Here we go. All right, sorry, I was distracted for a second. Okay, so looking at GU, this is the H4 and 30 minutes. So H4, you want to see something going back down, go back up and retest. Okay. Let's take a look at 30 minutes. 30 minutes, you got that super double bottom right under resistance. Yeah,
Le
you
move
want
vient d'arriver. Le move,
hein?
ce move-là que tu es dessus en ce moment, il vient de se passer. Fait que...
Il vient de se passer, là, you retest tu?
Ouais.
Ouais, c'est ça. There we go. So if you're broke and close above, under, come retest and you should back down. I mean, yes, you got those this clean traffic on the left, so you should be fine. Very cool seeing how you set up zone to break. Thanks. Man, I enter 69 lot, Andrew. Does the 138, 850 worry you? 838, 838, 850, 838, 850. Right
Whoa.
here. Whoa!
Sasha.
Ah! No retest!
Damn, man. Why my runner is out now? That's oh man, there's
news, man. It's news.
Sure. Yeah, there's news happening for sure right now. So guys, hopefully you secure your position because right now, I mean, GJ is going wild. So be very careful.
Me semble Marc est silencieux.
Let's take a look. Something's happening somewhere.
Marc, t'es secure?
Marc est plus là.
Oh.
Il est parti faire un bagel, d'après moi.
Mm.
Let's take a look here. Something's happening for sure. What the hell is going on? I don't see nothing yet. I don't see nothing yet. What is going on? GJ is wild. Man. God damn. So this move was super clean, man. Wow, too bad this runner got stopped out at break even. All right, so all right, where I was. So if 138, 850 worrying me. So why is that? Why 850? Let's take a look. There's something here. No. 4 maybe. Oh yeah, support at H4. Yeah. But this is previous, you know. So if you look, I mean, yeah, no, you're right. There was no traffic in between. So yeah, it can be a little zone there. But if you look at H1, I mean, it was clean. You know, H1 was super clean. So yes, on a higher time frame, maybe if you're trying to swing trade, maybe price is gonna have problem breaking here and it's gonna be bouncing back and forth maybe. But on H4 and 30-minute made a lot of sense. You know, this H1, we talked about this wick fill, and you see right on the dot, this wick got filled, right? So yeah. Okay, so let's take a look. Hell yeah, love it, man. Morning dog. I missed the trade. Yeah, don't worry, Asan. We're gonna have another opportunity. Hi guys, hi Sasha. Give a like to YouTube, Munir. Thank you. Going back to the weekly low, yes. Yeah, if you're taking a look at the weekly, that's something we took a look earlier. I mean, weekly broke previous high, and now I mean visited that minor, you know, minor support with that doji. Looking at daily right now. I mean, daily is destroying all the zone right now. So yeah. All right, so guys, if you missed the move, do not FOMO in. All right, do not FOMO in. Donc, si vous avez manqué le move, soyez pas inquiets, là, capotez pas, on va avoir une autre opportunité. So guys, welcome if it's your first time here. And it's your first time here, don't freak out if you hear some French. That's why I call this the Franglish live. And I just realized on YouTube I need to change the name, the title. Yeah, the title of that meeting. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to change it, but oh well, it is what it is. So yeah, let's take a look at the YouTube chat. Hello from Italy, Sasha. My candle not close like yours at 137.50. My candle not close. Sasha, my candle not close at. I don't understand. Took this GU trade. Can look at it, please. Yes, can take a look at it. Yes, we can. Boom. Okay, so yeah, GU. All right, so this is the 30 minutes. So we created a low, came back, created resistance, took entry on the break of this low, and yeah, that's perfect. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, my friend. Yeah, that's pretty good, man. Good job. That's Yalax. Press of EU economic. The EU summit will not have a long debate on Brexit. We will defend our European interest. Oh, so that was the news, I guess. But it's not out yet. I don't. Oh, here we go. Brexit dinner reportedly leaves no deal outcome looking for. Oh.
Morning.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, je l'avais call. On veut le Brexit de l'autre bord à matin. Fini les bulles.
Oh, I see. I see.
Moi, j'arrive à mon TP, là. Hey, 33 pips live, les boys.
Good job, man. Moi, ça me fait juste chier. Je me suis fait sortir à break-even.
Comme hier. Yo, hier, le short. 12 pips, break-even, puis après ça décalisse de...
Oh, je sais. Terrible. All right. Brexit dinner leaves no deal. Yeah, that's what we just saw. There was a movement like yesterday. Did you see that crazy? But yeah, man, Brexit gives you so much volatility. Hello, Sasha. When you start streaming, Hello, Sasha, when you start streaming? I'm streaming now, I guess. I don't know if it was a question or I don't know if it was a question or fact, but yes, it's probably a fact. Like that new bearish hat, new swag on. All right, so now GJ is tapping into this support now that we have on H1 right here. So we'll see how it goes. As for right now, if you missed this move that we called earlier, I mean, now we just gotta wait. I mean, wait for price to come up a little bit and create resistance, and we're gonna be able to take our sell again. So don't worry, guys. We're gonna have another opportunity for sure. So right now, I mean, price broke and closed under 139. We came so people wondering how we took this entry. I mean, we got Mark that was a little bit more cowboy than me this morning that actually took the entry on this candle, which was good, but for me it was a no-go because it was sitting right at 139 and I was too scared of rejecting like we did twice on H1. We had those 2 weeks rejections. So I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait for a close under it.
Je viens de all TP, man, à 40 pips.
Full TP, Mark, 40 pips.
Yep, 41.2.
Good job, man.
Pull the horn, first
Pull
win
the
of the
horn.
week.
Okay, I'll get the horn. Hold on.
Hey, si j'avais keep ma position d'hier, je serais à 200 pips!
Yeah! Ah, c'était lit, ça. Ça, c'était lit en crise.
Gucci.
All right, good job.
Yeah, man. Pretty happy with that.
I mean, there's so much volume right now that my vintage is freezing again. Man, yesterday in my second trade that I took, like kind of the same style as this one, it was during NYC, and I decided not to use my Funding Tan account because it was just keep on freezing on me. So I only took it on my live account. All right. So let's take a look at Andrew's chart. Candle broke below, also closed below QP 140. Yes. Broke the low, enter small position. Close at 10, full because impulse is a risky. Yes. Beautiful. Good job, man. Man, first time on YouTube today. First time. I just need to figure out how to stream directly on YouTube because why is this Zoom logo on the screen?
Hey, v'là vraiment pas tant long, on tradait genre à 4. Là.
Are you using OBS?
What, sorry?
OBS, are you using it?
No, can I? I downloaded it, but I never used it.
Everybody's using OBS when they're streaming. I don't know why, but
Really?
yeah.
I'm gonna get into that.
Because it's free.
Oh, okay, I'll try that.
Yep.
Come on, man.
Damn, you know I'm not a techie guy, guys. I'm not so techie. Right now, I'm actually trying to record my video for the course, and man, it's coming.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Faudrait que tu les fasses en présentiel.
C'est quoi ça?
En vraie personne.
Ah. C'est un beau mot, ça?
Yep.
All right, so this 30-minute closed under this support that we have on H1. So that's beautiful. So now, I mean, now what can we expect? Now, right now, don't try to sell the low, guys. Okay, there's a very tiny wick on H1. H1 just closed full bearish, huge candle. So you gotta wait. You gotta wait. Don't sell the low, guys. Especially this was like Brexit news. So we might see a little retrace up before coming back down. And the other thing is price might just shoot down because GJ is wild. When GJ is wild, GJ is wild. So. I'm just happy we caught that move, man. Boom. I got 12 pips out of it, so pretty happy.
T'as pris 12, j'ai pris le reste.
Ouais, non, c'est ça, ça le part, t'as bien mangé.
Bagel, man. Yeah.
Ah, bagel, ça serait bon, man. Ça fait tellement... God damn. I wanted to say that the candle you have supported at 138.750 is not the same as mine. Yeah, it all depends on the broker you have. And on TradingView, you got different broker you can get. This is if you take a look, that's F, like right here, FXCM. Maybe you are with Oanda, or I don't know, so it might be a little different. I don't know how I can get all the other people that's on Zoom on the YouTube. That's weird. If I do this, not even. No, doesn't work. Oh well, it is what it is. All right, so we got, yeah, man, that's good. That's good. Ooh, big 21 like on YouTube. Ooh, I almost feel like we achieved something. All right. So we tapped into 500 QP and now we're tracing back up, like I just said before. So we can expect a move back up a little bit before coming back down. Especially that GG's been pretty much bearish, you know, since midnight, you know. So I mean, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bearish candles. So I mean, at one point we need to come back up a little bit before going back down. And just for the fun of it, where is that? Oh, it's right here. Just for the fun of it. And we don't know yet because this candle is not closed yet, but
Man, you're right on point.
yeah, I know. So let's say this candle closed bullish. We can expect a retracement up around here, you know. So back into 139, that would be horrible though. But if you look on the 30 minutes,
Let's buy the dip.
if you look at 30 minutes, oh, we can expect a retest right on this zone. That would be amazing. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Is that the last push? No, this is the last push. Sorry. So yeah, right around this zone. That's pretty good. Amazing. What is your YouTube channel? The YouTube channel is on my IG. Yes, so probably that next week or so, probably gonna do only YouTube. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Donc, ce que je disais tantôt, c'est qu'on peut, on peut s'attendre à voir le prix remonter vers le haut avant de continuer vers le bas. Donc, ça fait déjà plusieurs heures, là, quasiment depuis minuit, hier, si on regarde le H1 depuis minuit que le prix est bearish. Donc, on peut s'attendre à un move vers le haut pour continuer vers le bas après. So at this point, you gotta be patient. Donc, rendu à ce moment-ci, là, soyez juste patient. N'ayez pas peur de manquer un move. C'est correct de manquer des moves. Guys, you gotta tell yourself this. This is okay to miss move. So you can play a game with me. I did that in the past. So basically what I did is I grabbed a bowl, okay? And every time I missed a move, I wrote on a paper the date and what kind of move was it, and I put it in a piece of paper and put it in my bowl. So what I'm telling myself is, the more I get paper into this, the bigger trade I'm gonna get. The bigger opportunity I'm gonna get, because the more misses you get, more goals you're gonna get. Just put it this way: if you look at hockey, who in the history of hockey has the most goal? It's Wayne Gretzky, right? But did you also know who misses the net the most? It's also Wayne Gretzky. So basically what I'm saying is, if you don't miss trade, I mean, it's not normal. You got to miss trade to be able to get trades, So you got to be able to miss the net to put a puck in that net, So that's really simple, So very basic. You got to give yourself a chance, So I mean, the more thanks, Mark. So the more attempt and the more misses you get, more goals you're gonna get at one point. So it just takes time. Be patient, guys. People wants to have success overnight. That's not gonna happen. Forex is not a get quick rich, just like those MLM company in Forex trying to
This level over here.
values.
Break this. I can take a retest to this area.
Let me see if I can use the AirPods now.
Hey, l'histoire du Wayne
There we
Gretzky,
go.
je te vole, mon gars. C'est tellement nice.
Merci. Good afternoon, Karen. Good afternoon, Karen. It's the afternoon for you. It's the early morning here. Where are you from? All right, so I guess we got, where's this? Oh, text. All right, so now we have time. So let's take a look at gold. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, gold, gold. What's up, gold? What up, gold? What up? All right, so we got this here. So we got this resistance on the daily. We got this. I got scared for a second. I thought you were drawing something else.
Space X.
Yes. And
Gold, il réagit-tu quand même bien au chiffron ou?
ouais, vraiment.
Ok.
All right, so that's our daily zone.
Andrew.
So we can adjust this here. Boom. It's perfect. can adjust this like this. This was probably a fake out. Boom, 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 boom. God damn. Ooh. Oh, gold is rangy right now on H1. Rangy, rangy. What about this here? Rangy, rangy. What about 30 minutes? Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Yep. I mean, right now, I mean, looking at gold, if you're looking at gold on the 4-hour, I mean, right now, if people looks at market structure, it looks like we're trying to, it's looking like it's going to create that shampoo pattern, the head and shoulders. Looks like it. Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Mark. But right now, I mean, gold is just ranging. I mean, if you look at H1 and you know what, I'm gonna put it right here. So if you look at H1 in 30 minutes, it's just like it's rangy, right? So you want to make sure that you break under 1830 or above 1842 for any buy or sell at this point. You know, just like, I mean, yeah, you gotta wait. You gotta wait on gold. Just wait for a break above 1842 or under 1830. We said yes, 1830. Yeah, that would make sense. All right. Man, I'm up to date in the charts, in the chat. And yeah. Will you say it's a good idea to enter sell when the current 30-minute candle breaks its low? Let's go take a look at it. This current, oh, why is this here? On the 30-minute, he said. Let's go back. Oh. Oh well. Only 30 minutes. Only 30 minutes. When this 30 minutes breaks its own low, it's gonna be risky. But yes, it all depends. Like right now it's 7:15, so coming 7:30. Yeah, you can expect volume. Yeah, it can work. It can work, especially if we break 138,500. After that, I mean, man, that's gonna be beautiful after that, because I mean, we can wick fill this, and after that, next target is gonna be 250 right here. So let me put this. To be honest, I didn't expect to go this low this morning. Yeah, but I think we're gonna fill this wick. So, and probably a retrace back up, but we should be able to fill this wick. Look on H1. H1 is clean. You know, it's 2 wicks to be filled on H1. So that's why I'm not very, this is a minor support. So yes, we might encounter some problem here. But we should be able to fill those wicks on H1, both of them, which is their same distance, right? and probably going to tap into 250 before reversing. So let's take a look on the 30 minutes. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right, so we got our plan. So hopefully, I mean, I would love to see a break, come create resistance and come back down, or my ideal setup would be, let me get the arrow. Where's the arrow? Here, arrow. All right. So my ideal setup would be for this candle to close like this, okay? Have a bearish candle right here on 750 closing right here, and right the next one, you know, to 250. So that will be perfect. That would be scenario number 1. And scenario number 2 would exactly like Mark draw. It would be getting a higher, which is going to be, thank you. You see, he's quicker than me. Look at this, look. Yeah. He doesn't look smart on the camera, but he is. He's
fast on the trigger.
He's an architect, so that's why he can draw better than me.
It's because his mustache, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all in the stash, right?
It's all about the stash.
It's all about
You already know.
It's all about the stash. All right. Oh, Karen, South Africa. Sweet. Same with baseball. The one with the most home runs also has the most strikeout. Yes, you know, it's just a fact. Just like anyone that had huge success had like tons of failure before. So you cannot just be successful just by magic, you know, just like, I mean, it can, but those are really a rare exception. I mean, I was thinking it was not a space rocket. Oh yeah. Sorry, I was a little late in the chat. Yeah, rejecting 0.500 QP levels. Yes. Yes, it's rejecting 500 right now. But 500 usually is for more for consideration, so, but it's rejecting right now.
C'est fou quand tu t'attends un peu au QP, man, que quand, mettons, tes traces dans tes charts, là, tu commences à catch que crime.
C'est fou,
ça
hein?
fait fucking de sens, là.
Hein, c'est fou, hein?
Ouais. J'avais
non, c'est
139,
juste...
mais fait choke, là.
Ça a vraiment aucun rapport à quel point si tu check, mettons tu regardes sur H1, là, mettons tu regardes H1, là, c'est fou, man. C'est juste, même si tu vas, tu sais, tu recules en arrière, là, tu sais, ton chart, là, c'est fou à quel point c'est check ça, regarde ici, bang, bang. C'est comme...
Ah ouais, moi, une curve bush, je fais juste ça. Même pas besoin d'autre chose.
C'est des gros reversals.
Check ça. Regarde ici. Bang, bang. Tu comprends? C'est comme tout le temps.
On pourrait juste trader avec les petits carrés dans le fond de Trading USD puis on s'en sortirait.
Ah non, regarde, c'est fou, là. J'ai un pas pire, genre un pas pire bout du cours là-dessus qui va être quand même assez... parce que je vais aller plus into depth, là, mais c'est vraiment, vraiment intéressant pour vrai.
En même temps, c'est logique parce que tous les gros moves, toutes les grosses institutions, whatever, name it, là, je sais pas, là, mais ils diront pas, mettons, OK, on va acheter à... Là, vous autres, c'est des 138. Ils diront pas, on va acheter à 138, 522 ou...
Ben non.
C'est ça, 138. Ben, 138, 500. Ouais. En même temps, c'est juste logique.
Ah ouais, absolument. Forgot to post on Instagram that we are live on YouTube. Story. Patient. Here we go.
Je suis tellement sad pour le monde qui ont acheté en pensant que le Bitcoin allait breakout. Oh mon Dieu. Puis toutes les autres cryptos, ils l'ont suivi. Ça bounce, ça bounce, ça bounce. Tout le temps, c'est la résistance des plus hauts. Puis...
I had those M&M company that deals Bitcoins, and they all approached me when it was like 1900s. Like, dude, it's gonna skyrocket. You have no idea, man. You're gonna man, timing is everything. Oh, man, the timing is great. You should get in now. I'm like, dude, no. I'm just like, look at this. Just take a look at this for a second. So if you take a look at Bitcoin right now, I mean, oops. Okay, so look on, this is on the daily. Look at this. I mean, it got to the high, didn't broke the high, and just went straight the hell down. You know, that's exactly what I told my friends. Like, dude, we are now. Don't buy on a high. This is just basic stuff. And they were like, no, dude, it's a great timing. I'm like, man, you're stupid.
Parce que tu disais aussi ceux qui ont acheté justement au previous high, dès que ça allait atteindre le break-even, tu te retires, mon gars.
Guys, there's people who bought right here. That's in 2017. In December 2017, there's people who bought right here. And they've been in a drawdown for almost, it's been 3 years. And they finally broke even. So let me tell you, they got out of it, you know? So that's what happened. It just melted after that. So, yeah.
Puis de toute façon, moi j'avais acheté, je pense, à 17 500. Quand j'étais rendu à 18 008, là j'ai tout retiré. Puis même, là j'ai fait le calcul, même si ça monte, exemple, à 50K, je vais être plus profitable. Ouais, mais c'est ça, je vais être plus profitable de mettre cet argent-là dans mon compte de trading. J'ai fait le calcul.
Absolument.
Fait que.
Andrew's having fun right now.
Hey, Sasha.
Yeah.
Can I ask a question, please?
Sure.
It's about the SoftFX software. How does the license actually work?
What do you mean?
As in, do you go on the website and just buy the actual license itself and then download the free software or something? Or
yes, you just buy the license, and you actually have access to 2 licenses when you buy it. Okay. So you can be 2 people buying it together and share the same login information. Yeah. So I think it's $99 USD if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, because on the chat there's some guy that messaged me, like, privately, saying he's got 2 and he wanted to sell the other one. So I wasn't really sure. I wanted to ask someone who knew something about it. I thought it was probably that.
Yes, you can share, but just again, be careful because there's cameras out there. So
yeah, no, but he's in the Slack community. So
okay, that's great. Yeah, trust
him a little bit.
Yeah, no, that's great. Yeah, because there's some weird people out there.
Yeah.
Gulag.
Yeah. All right, so at this point, man, we just gotta wait. Donc, soyez juste patient à ce point-ci, là. Nothing new here. Bloomberg. Maybe Bricks isn't so bad after all. Huh, interesting. Interesting. Huh. All right. Man, the new hoodie, man. Guys, I gotta show you something. It's pretty dope. I need to go get my cell phone to show you. Man, this is my best purchase, this one. This, man. Anti-fatigue mat. For my feet. Yeah.
C'est un
Look at
petit
this, I don't
matelas
know.
de caissière, stick.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it if I go like this.
Let me see that ass.
But here's the cell phone that's broken, by the way. Look at this.
Holy shit.
Nice.
And it open, look at this, it's gonna open different. Like if I press this, it's gonna start opening different app without me pressing anything. It's crazy. So anyways, so that's not what I want to show you. I want to show you, you see, you got this kangaroo pocket, right? Like all the other hoodies. But I didn't know, but there's a secret pocket right here for the cell phone. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a pocket like this.
Jeez, all right.
Yo,
Whoa.
I'm so excited. I look like a kid, right?
It's to stack all that profits.
Attends, I wet my cap. J'ai pas encore reçu ma cap.
C'est vrai, comment ça non? J'ai oublié de te faire envoyer une autre, par exemple. D'après moi, Post Canada l'a perdu, là, mais je vais t'en faire envoyer une autre.
Il a trouvé
Post
tellement
Canada,
cool, ils l'ont
damn.
gardé.
Je vais te faire envoyer la nouvelle, man.
Ouais, elle est sharp.
Ouais,
L'enfer.
like it.
Il n'y a pas de trou pour mettre la couette, Colin.
Damn. Ok, le stuff il est vraiment solide.
So, ouais, now it's, I don't know if my partner put it on the website yet, but I know the image is there, but I don't know if he put in stock. No, it's still pre-order, but now it's in stock. I just picked those up yesterday, so I got the gray one too. It's nice.
Pour ceux qui attendent un move GJGU, on va sûrement avoir un retest live là.
Yes. Let's go, GJ.
On a créé un lot, on attend une résistance, on va aller retrace le lot. That's it, that's all.
Yes.
Quick maths.
Yes. Let's mark that down on the chart.
Tu vas avoir une chart après Satch dans le Zoom chat.
All right, thank
The
you.
Zane.
You do formed. And resistance to I like that better. Okay, so we have a chart. Paul, did you take any trades so far? I missed the sells. Yes, we actually took the sells. For people that just joined, just quickly before I get into the next chart. So basically, there's two play that happened. We got Mark that got into a sell right here at the opening of this candle, and right that sell for like 40 pips. So that's a good job there. On my side, I was scared of 139, so I kind of waited And what happened is when this candles start to retest this 139 and start coming back down, I took an entry while breaking the previous low and grabbed 12 pips out of it, and my runner got stopped out at break even. So yeah, that's what happened. Pocket for your pocket, yes. All right, Zane. Let's take a look at Zane's chart. It's EJ. All right, EJ 1 hour. Wick rejection. Strong bearish candle. However, it didn't engulfing previous bull. So I waited for price to start breaking low on the 30-minute. I was entered a lower lot size, as then was no bearish engulfing structure, which I normally look for. Yes, that's a good idea. You know, when you want an extra confirmation, just wait to break the previous low, previous high. That's usually what I do also. If you don't have a big confirmation, but this was a pretty decent size candle, though. I know it wasn't engulfing, but it was pretty good. So for me, it was good enough to take at the start of the new candle, to be honest. But yeah, it's great.
I'll send you another chart of the same thing, because I closed that position. If you open another chart, you see, because there was some support, like previous support forming. Like if you open the chart I sent you.
Yeah, I'll go check.
And I feel like I should have left that one open instead of doing this one, but
let me see. Oh, you sent another one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this buy. I had buys up here, but I closed them as I think that the safer buys are below 126.250. Talking about sales or buys?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I was confused for a second. I was like,
man.
I was confused for a second. Oh yes, now I understand why. Yes, on the 30-minute. Okay.
And also, you see, like that the most recent bullish candle. You see how it got, that's where I closed, like where it kept rejecting that area.
Yeah.
So I was like,
it's a booby trap candle.
Yeah. So I was like, I'd rather be safe and just ride this wave down, because if you on the 1 hour of that candle, I feel like it's gonna, if it does go down, it's gonna mirror the same 1 hour candle.
True. Yep. True.
But
man,
I'm not sure.
Your analysis is getting better, man.
Thank you. I'm not sure if I should because you know how we last time when you caught trading, you said you caught the retest, but on this one I'm not, because obviously I feel like it's gonna move fast down. I'm not sure if I could catch a retest or I should wait for
But on EJ though, I would not rush into taking like impulse, because you know most of the time EJ will give you that retest. It moves pretty slow, you know. So usually you're gonna get your chance of getting that retest most of the time. So yeah. But if you take a look at EJ, we didn't break down EJ, so let's do it. Let's do it. Man, price was up. Well, that was probably some news, right? I didn't follow EJ, but that's the daily. It's the daily resistance. Support is not formed yet. We have support right here on the daily. Whoops.
And on the 4 hour, if you go on the 4 hour,
yep.
I'll show you. And if you come out a little bit, like you know, it's right there. You see, it's from like 126,500 that it's getting rejected at that level. That's what made me look for shorts there.
Tu vois-tu encore, Marc, comment c'est...
But price is 4 hours broken its lows, so I feel like it's just gonna go down.
Yeah, For buys, you want to make sure that we break and close above 500. And this was a fake out here. Yeah. So right now, EJ, I mean, if you look at 4 hour, it's consolidating on 4 hour. If you look at H1 right now, got this here. Yeah. 30 minutes. You got a minor resistance here. Yeah, so basically you want to make sure any buys above 126,500 would make sense. I don't know how many pips is in there. That is 22 pips, but you got something right here. So you probably can grab like up to here. Nah, that's way too tight. Yeah, well, I'm not interested in 2 buys, except if we break 126,500. And under this support right here, 126,250, which is also, look at this. It's crazy, man, this shit. Look at this, right on the dot. So you want to make sure you break 250. And with more confirmation, a close under 250 would be better, because usually 250 is a reversal one. So you got to be careful. Yeah. Crazy stuff. Look how those QPs get respected. It's not even funny. It's crazy. All right, let's go back to GJ. Oh, we got a chart also from Ellie. Charlie, did you take GJ cells? Yes, I did. Hopefully you got the explanation I just did about that cells. Yes, I grabbed 12 pips, and Mark grabbed 40 pips because he got it from higher. All right, so Nulo created golden zone resistance. Sell below 139 with confirmation. Yes, that would make sense, Ellie. That's also what I'm looking for. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm waiting for. Good job. All right. So first time on Zoom. So I'm gonna try to get because people talked about that software. So yeah, I think I have it right. Yeah, OBS Studio, right? Yeah, I got it right here. So I'm gonna have to do some more tests with YouTube. Yesterday I tried to do my episode of Talk Over a Beer on YouTube, and it was a fail. I don't know. It was saying I was trying to stream directly from YouTube, and it was saying that my camera has been used from another software at the same time on my laptop, but nothing else was open. So I don't know. I'm so not techie. Yeah, it pissed me off when, man, I don't mind paying. Like I bought myself a nice like Surface laptop 2 or 3. I can't remember the recent one. So paid a lot of money for it. But you know what? It pissed me off when I buy something and it's not working like it's supposed to, especially when you spend money on it. Sorry, I got distracted. Oh yeah, okay. The kid just got home. Yeah, so anyways, it is what it is. Oh, Yuri chart. Let's see. Oh, we got some funky lines in there. What is that? Abstract art, I call that. No, I'm joking. Create the support. Lower low is possible to create lower high. Entry. Ooh, okay. Close 80% SLB. Yeah, you better close. You better secure your profit because yeah, it's a counter trend. It's okay if you know that you're in and out quick, but don't hope to get like runners to 40 pips. Just close everything. You know, get your pips and get out of there. This counter trend is a risky business. Hold on. Which chart was that again? Wait a minute. That was GG 15 minutes. Oh, okay. I was like, wait a minute. I'm missing one candle on the 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute. When I look at it, I feel like puking. I just like, it get me so nervous. It get me like, I got a lot of memories of 15 minutes and they are not good memories. It's all losses. So yeah, I try to stay away from 15 minutes. I don't like it. But hey, it's good you catch it. It's good you catch it. I mean, and if you're comfortable trading the 15 minute, that's all good. It's all based on what you are comfortable and what you can do and what you're feeling okay to do. You know, it's not everyone is the same, but I will be very careful basically because this 30-minute close with no wick on the top. So there's a bigger probability that price will go down because there's not enough range to continue back up, right? So and this H1 is not closed yet, so it might reject 750 and close under, you know, this support, and that would be amazing. Because if this H1 start coming down and break the low again, ooh man, oh man. Yeah. Donc principalement là, pour les gens qui sont dans un buy, j'espère que vous avez sécurisé vos profits parce que c'est un trade qui compte le trend. Fait que ce serait vraiment important de sécuriser vos profits, spécifiquement que sur cette 30 minutes-là, il n'y a pas de wick sur le haut. Donc, ça veut dire qu'il y a des plus grosses probabilités que le prix continue d'aller vers le bas parce qu'il n'y a pas de range pour continuer vers le haut. Il n'y a pas de wick. OK? Donc, très important. Puis en plus, la H1, si on regarde la H1 présentement, elle rejette 750. Puis je ne serais pas surpris qu'elle close en bas. Donc, on pourrait continuer notre move vers le bas. Mais personnellement, j'aimerais mieux qu'on crée une résistance pour continuer vers le haut. Fait que j'aimerais ça que cette chandelle-là ferme comme ça, bullish. Puis après ça, que la prochaine ferme bearish. Donc, il serait rendu 8h30. Puis à 8h30, on ride la NY Open candle. So the best setup will be for this candle to close bullish. Next one, close bearish, confirming resistance. And we can ride the 831, which is the NY Open candle. The other option is if this one closed bullish, next one is start to go up and start breaking down and break his own low. Not his own low, sorry, but the previous low. Might take an impulse right there because it's going to be a booby trap candle and it's going to be the NY Open time. So volume is going to be there. So that's a couple of scenarios I'm looking at right now. Yes, you're streaming now at 720p. The resolution is a little blurry. Yes, I don't know how I can get more than 720. How can I do that? I don't even know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some more tests with YouTube because definitely I'm not vitesse de lecture normale. I don't know how to do it.
Yo guys, moi je quitte ma
Ben ouais, check le frais là. Ben ouais, check le frais. Moi j'ai pogné 40 pubs, j'ai plus besoin d'être là. Fait que je fisse mon camp. Puis je vous laisse tout seul, gang de raisins. Ouais, ben ouais.
Cassez-vous pas trop à gueule. Allez déneiger le char.
Ouais, mais c'est ça, je check là. Il y a quand même. Je checkais par la fenêtre, il est quand même pas par la fenêtre.
Ouais, et à mon lot, il est tombé genre 20 cm.
Oh.
Quoi? 20 cm à
dans le nord, ici, là.
Wow.
Fait que c'est ça, les boys. Prenez
All
soin
right.
de vous autres. Puis on se reparle dans le chat ou mardi.
Take care, Mark.
Peace.
Ciao.
I think
Ciao.
there's
Sorry, Zane?
I think there's like a news or something.
A what? Sorry?
On EJ. On EJ.
Oh, on EJ.
Price just
Let's take a look.
I think that's news.
EJ. Oh, EJ is acting crazy. Oh, what's up? What's up with Grandma EJ? Jesus, what's happening with EJ?
Yep, the buys will be valid.
Yeah. So breaking now the zone. So you want to close above the zone, you know. You want to close above the zone, create support, and boom, push back up. And after that, your next target on EJ would be right here, which is 620.
620.
Yeah. Oh man, EJ is pumping and GJ is reacting also.
You
What
missed the move.
Oh,
You missed the
Man.
move.
Congrats to anyone who took the impulse while breaking the zone. You guys are now in profit. You guys are cowboy. But yeah. Oh man. So we're talking about 620. 620 got reached almost. So man.
How big was the range?
Wow.
Sasha, how
Jesus.
big is the range
Range is
from the breakout?
oh, it's
Come
only 10
on,
pips.
man.
Oh my god.
Come on.
Man, that's the thing with EJ. EJ always does that to me. I see him, I was like, oh man, that's probably like 30 pips. No, it's like 10 pips. God damn. Yeah, okay, so nothing crazy. Oh, GJ is acting also. Oh, let's go back to GJ. What is happening? It's probably some news again.
Maybe on Doji.
What is happening with this? So H1 is pumping. So we got 12 minutes into this 30-minute candle, which also be the close of the 1 hour. Man, you see, we went to tap into this resistance again. So we kind of retest that resistance. Now starting to come back down. That's interesting. Tellement content d'avoir trouvé des Québécois qui trade du Forex. Hey, ça fait plaisir, Jonathan. On est là pour ça. En passant, on a un groupe Discord. Fais juste m'envoyer un message sur Instagram. Puis je vais t'envoyer une invitation de notre groupe de francophones. Ça me fait plaisir de t'aider. Curieux de savoir aussi comment tu nous as trouvé, si tu es avec une recherche sur YouTube. Juste curieux. The resolution is okay. Look for how to change OBS output resolution for streaming, screen recording, OBS tutorial on YouTube. Okay, I'll check into that because right now I'm streaming from Zoom, so that's probably the problem. So yeah, it's not my first time. It's my first stream on YouTube. Usually we only did Zoom session. So first time on Zoom, so I'm gonna get used to it. Man, the French he's trying to translate right now, so he's having he's having a mental problem right now. Mental problem translation. Sorry, guys. Jonathan, t'es de quel coin? Quel coin du Québec, Jonathan? Boom, boom, boom. Man, I know there's volume in the market. You know why? I got a specific special secret indicator when there's volume in the market. It's called vintage effects freezing. Fucking vintage effects, man. I can't wait for this month to be done with Funding Town so I can switch broker, man. This is so bullshit. Ah, je regardais le stream de Winston Live, je t'ai trouvé. Ok, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Rive-Sud de Montréal. Oh man, c'est mon patelin, ça. Je suis originaire de Saint-Jean-sur-Richelieu, man. Mais je suis plus là. J'ai immigré sur la Rive-Nord. Ouais. Mais j'ai toujours resté sur la Rive-Sud. Ça fait juste 2 ans que je suis sur la Rive-Nord. J'ai toujours été sur la Rive-Sud. J'ai fait Saint-Jean, Sainte-Julie, Saint-Basile. Ouais, c'est à peu près ça. J'ai aussi fait un petit croche à Piémont pendant 2 ans. Ouais, j'étais perdu. All right, guys. Usually take buys when GJ holds support. So did you take this time when 30-minute close strong bullish? No. No, because the reason is there's a couple of reasons. I mean, it's on a heavy downtrend. And I'm just waiting for resistance to go down. When supports hold, yes, if you look at this here, if you look on the past, in the past, what happened is this support hold and start pushing back up. So basically we can base ourselves on the same thing. But I don't know. I mean, all time frames are bearish, so I'm not very comfortable today to take a buy. Especially that we just closed under 139 on H1, so I think we're going to visit the next major, which is the 138, probably today sometime.
Sasha, I sent you my a loss that I took earlier on today. In the
Oh
Zoom chat.
no!
It wasn't too bad, only like 3 pips, but I think it's because of the 15. It's a bit messy because I didn't go back and replay it, but I think it's because of the 15-minute. Like, I might stop trading that one.
Support form with wick rejection. Enter when price broke the high. Okay, so you enter. Oh yeah, but the problem here, profit 10 pips, strong. Okay, hold on, wait a minute. So you enter on this candle? This one here?
The candle that broke that high.
Okay, when it break and you hold it all the way?
No, my stops were just below the zone, so I only took
okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. So yeah, the problem here is this this candle, the doji is a write-off candle. So technically this candle was your support confirmation, but with no wick on the top, right? So I will probably not take this trade. Because if you take out this candle, okay, if you hide this doji, there's no support, right? It's this candle is gonna bring your support, so you should enter on this candle, but there's no wick on the top, right? And price did a fake out to the downside and came back up. So I mean, the analysis wasn't wrong at the end, you know, because if you think about it, I mean, it makes sense, you know, it makes sense that it's gonna come down and continue back up. You are in a bullish trend. It all makes sense, but price did a fake out into your face, and that's on the 15 minutes. So
I would need
so it's a weaker confirmation, you know.
I need for next time, I would need that the bullish candle, that the doji, it needed to be stronger, like to close.
Yes. And of course you want to take a look at the 30 minutes, to be honest.
Well, the 30 minutes, it was the same type of
candle?
Yeah, same type of like projection.
Yeah. So you want to make sure that you got this size candle close on a 30 minute but with a little bigger wick, you know. And of course, I mean, to be honest, I would probably gonna get trapped into this also, because when this candle, let's say this candle start to break the high, I'm probably gonna enter, you know, and probably gonna be trapped into that fake out also. And I mean, fake out is it's really hard to get. I mean, to predict fake out, you know, it's really rare. You can do that, but the thing is, if this candle, let's say that, okay, let me get the pointer. Let's do some work here. Okay, so let's say that this bearish candle, let's say it open and start going down, and after that break the high, yes, I will get in. But as you see, this candle broke at first previous high and start retracing. So when you see a candle starting up first, it's always scary. You know, it's always scary because, you know, probably it's going to be ending up to the other side. So that's the only thing. But the analysis wasn't wrong, though. Analysis was good. So at the end, don't be mad, you know, because I mean, I think it makes sense.
Only just like 4 pips.
Yeah, it makes sense, you know. So, all right, let's go back to GJ for a second. Whoa, man, GJ is pumping. Joa, what you think, Master? I'm new here. All right. TP1 resistance, entry for buy. If the next candlesticks break the wick, that would be my entry. Next big support, TP. Okay, wait a minute. So that wick break. Okay, you're talking about the sell here. Yeah, that's. Oh, that's ECAD. Oh my goodness. ECAD. Woo. What got you into this? So ECAD. To be honest, I think I've never took a look at ECAD. Anyway, not even a sneak peek. Hold on, where's your chart now? Okay, let me close all those charts for a second. Kind of lost now. Okay, so let's do this again. All right, so based on this is the 15 minutes. Because I don't see the rest of your chart. That's a problem. I don't see. Okay, let's go to. Can we go to Trading View? Okay, let's go directly because I don't see anything on your chart. ECAD, man. Whew, I don't even know this. I even know you can trade ECAD. No, I'm joking. All right, so ECAD, very quick. It's H1, right? And how many pips is it that? That's a 30 pip range. You got this zone. That is goat shit. So you don't want to trade into this, that's for sure. So you want to see price breaking down here, breaking down this support. When this candle actually retested the high right now, you can. I mean, probably if I was trading ECAD, I'm probably going to take a trade well breaking the previous low on that 30-minute candle. Looking at 15, I mean, 15-minute is horrible, man. It's creating higher high, but I think it's going to be a fake out. If you look at it, I mean, we are on a bearish trend, right? So, I mean, price came back up to come back down, right? So, would make sense. Daily is bearish also. Yeah, I don't think it's going to go up. It might for a while, but I mean, buy is going to be only valid if you break this zone, but not until then. Sell is going to be valid under this wick. So that was it for ECAD. So hopefully it works for you. I catch that. Oh, there's news for Euro. Refinancing rate. Oh, that's why. Phil, sorry, Sash, I wasn't really active this AM. I have a presentation to make around 9:30. Happy with the trade we got. I check YouTube, by the way. Sound and everything looks perfect. Gotta go, Charlie boys. All right, bye, man. Bonne journée, Phil. Have fun. Flex pas trop ta blonde sur Instagram. T'imagines, même ta blonde, elle pogne YouTube, elle l'entend. Oops. Will you take another sell after resistance has been formed? Yes, I will, because the previous sells I took the very low risk. I was risking less than 1% because it was a risky one. So yeah. What's the link? What's the link? What link? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm new. Thank you. I'll be getting better, boss. Oh, I'm not worried, man. I'm not worried. I know you're gonna be better. I mean, we all learn every day. I mean, every day it's a learning process. People think they're gonna come into Forex and be like masters and making crazy money tomorrow. Let me tell you something. Ain't gonna happen. Sorry for breaking your dreams. It will not happen that way. It's a process.
Can you hear me, Sasha?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for the session, by the way. We all appreciate it very much. Just a quick question regarding the trade that the team took. I stayed out because of the wicks, not the wicks, sort of like the support on the left. Can you explain to us, maybe in your eyes, what made it risky and why you did take the trade?
Okay, sure. Let me get the arrow. There we go. So what happened is when this candle closed under 139, okay, I was like, all right, so that's a pretty good confirmation that we're gonna keep moving down, but I want to retest, right? So I waited for this candle to come. When this candle opened, it started to push back up and it rejected 139. So when it came down, I took entry while breaking previous low and went to 12 pips, closed 80%, moved the SL to break even, and the runners got stopped out because price was moving pretty quick. It was like bouncing back and forth. And the reason why it was risky, it's because the timing. The timing at this time usually doesn't have a lot of volume. Of course, I don't know what happened here, but usually at this time, I tried sometimes to take the same kind of trade at this time, and I failed a couple of times. So that's why this time when I took it, I took a smaller entry just to make sure. So the timing was one risky thing. And the other risky thing is, I mean, we are right at support, right? So we are right at this support. So it can also be rejected. So that was my main concern. It was this, so that's why I took a smaller entry because it was risky, People, the problem with certain people is just they keep on taking the same kind of risk on all the setups, so on every setups. So that's a problem. That's a problem I had at first. When I got started, I was let's say I was risking 2%, let's say on my trade. I was risking 2% on impulse. I was risking 2% on nice setup. I was risking 2% on golden setup. So if you want to be profitable at the end of the day, it's really simple. Take notes, guys. This is a secret. All right. No, it's not a secret, but it's sometimes super simple. I mean, super simple. It's like losing weight. Okay. It's like losing weight. Basically, there's no magic into losing weight. You just gotta eat less and move more, right? So it's kind of the same thing in trading. So basically, take less risk and gain more. Okay, so it's kind of the same thing, but the opposite way. Okay, so basically, if you have a risky setup, just risk less. And when you have a golden setup, like something that like 70% of the time you're gonna win into that setup, go like to 2%, 3%. And when you have a risky trade, you take 0.5 or 1%, so all depends.
Yeah, I appreciate that. It's almost like even using quote unquote dynamic risk, sort of.
Yes.
Yeah. Right. Thank you for the explanation. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, buddy. So yeah, so now looking at GJ, I mean, if you guys took that buys right here, I mean, secure profits now, I mean, we're gonna reach this level. And man, that is actually perfect. This is exactly how we Oh, I called that just earlier. If it plays out, that would be amazing. Because earlier what I said is, let me grab this. Yeah, earlier what I said is I wanted to create resistance. Where's my arrow? Jesus, where's my? Okay, it's here. Lost my mouse. So basically, I wanted the price to come back to 139, create resistance here, and the next candle we shoot back down. So it looks like it's gonna play out. So that would be amazing. And also the other thing is, if you take a look at this, and right after this explanation, I'm gonna do the same breakdown in French. Don't worry, guys. Yeah. So if you take a look at this, let's go on each one. It's cleaner. So looking at each one. Oh, it's higher. It's in this zone. Oh yeah, we did it on the 30 minutes earlier. That's why. The last push to the downside is right here. Yes, correct. That makes sense. And what we got here, we got this golden zone. Boom. So yeah. Donc en français, so in French now, so en français, principalement ce que j'ai dit, c'est que plus tôt ce matin, ce que j'ai dit, c'est que j'ai aimé que le prix remonte vers le haut, crée une résistance autour de 139. Donc la prochaine chandelle ferme bearish, puis après ça, on ride la prochaine. Puis en plus, c'est directement ici dans le, vous avez vu qu'on a dessiné le fib, c'est directement le golden zone qui est un fib rejection. Donc, puis on rejetterait 139, puis on fermerait en bas de ce support-là. Okay, donc, ce serait parfait. Ce serait vraiment mon setup idéal. There we go. All right, all right. What's up, everyone? What's up, O Capital Group? Rob. For a beginner, would you recommend only to look at 2-pair and master or know how it moves? Yes, yes, definitely. Actually recommend 1-pair at first, and if you want to do 2, that's up to you. I always compare that to women. So I mean, if you try to chase 2 women at the same time, guess what, man? Probably gonna lose one of those. You know, try to chase 10 women at the same time. Good luck to you. So,
Russia, come on, man.
Yeah, but to be honest, I compare that to a woman because you need to understand how the pair move, how the pairs react, how it moves at that time and this time, and how it reacts after certain things, and when you reach this kind of level. So when you focus on 1 pair or 2 pairs, let's say, you're gonna get to know those pairs, and you're gonna be able to take some trades that sometimes people will be like, what the hell? How you took that? I get those messages often now. Man, people's like, man, why you took this? Because it and people get mad. I'm like, geez, the reason why I took it is because I saw that kind of move happen so many times. I missed it so many times. I journaled everything, you know. I journaled all my trades, what I see on the market, and that. And by the way, my journal is public. It's on Trixie. The link's in my bio in my Instagram. You can have access to all my trades I took. I mean, my thought process, my ideas, like why I got in, when I got out. So you get all those trades, you know, so. And guys, if you're not journaling, man, you're not helping yourself. You want to journal, man. You want to journal your trade. It can be in a book. It can be on paper. It can be screenshot. It can be whatever you need to do. But just make sure you take notes of your trades. Learn why you lost, why you won, what can you improve. That's really important. what pairs should you recommend for a beginner to focus on? I mean, it all depends. It all depends. For me, I'm a really hyperactive guy, not really super patient. Thanks to Forex, because Forex got me to work on my patience a lot, and now I'm much better. But I like GJ for me because it moves fast. It can get me my 10 pips pretty quick and out. I like that. So that's why I tried to focus on GJ. And if you're somebody that's anxious, not super confident, maybe a pair with less volume that moves a little slower, that would be better, you know. Like EJ can be slow. So I mean, or you can trade the Asian session on GJ. Asian session is, man, it's slow. Look, this is Asian session right here. Look, starting like this 1, 2, 3, 4, this to there, that's Asian session. So you see, doesn't move a lot. So is GY good? GY? What's GY? Am I dumb? Did I miss something? Oh, GJ. Yen. Oh, yen is GJ. Yes. GJ is good. That's what we trade right now. So David, wait, you have your own trading stream now, Sasha? Yeah, just because we had people in French that, I don't know, they were not able to get on Zoom, so I just did a stream, yeah. So it's a first time. It's a first time on YouTube, so we'll see how it goes. Big 32 likes so far. Woohoo! But yeah, I'm doing it on Tuesday and Thursday only though. So perfect. Both are complicated at the start. Yes. Yeah, first time on YouTube. I had some issue at first. Because right now I'm streaming from Zoom, but everybody told me to use OBS, so I'm gonna dig into that. I actually have OBS on my laptop right now. I downloaded it before, but never used it so far. So I'm gonna take a look at it. And maybe I can use the same software to record my video for my course, maybe. So I'm gonna take a look at this. Jonah, keep going, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Merci. Yeah, I had so many messages. People wanted to have the Zoom and the stream, so I was like, yeah, why not? You know. So at first, oh, hold on, wait a second. Okay. Yeah, my iPhone died on me, so now I'm relying on my iPad. So hopefully no one's trying to call me today, which not gonna happen. I'm gonna receive a ton of phone calls for work for sure. But technically, we should receive our new iPhone today. Technically, it's good timing. We were actually in the process of changing all the cell phone for all the employees. But I message one of the owner of the company and said, man, if you try to reach me, my iPhone just died on me, so just send me a messenger. And he said, all right, we should get the new one tomorrow. And I'm like, yeah, perfect timing. Yeah. Now I need to try if we can fix this and try to sell it after, but man, look at this job. I kind of broke the screen.
Sasha, did you lose the trade?
What?
Did you lose the trade? That's why you smash your phone.
Yeah. I was like, God damn, GJ. Man, I'm telling you, this new hoodie is so comfy. Wow. Really comfy. I like the size of the hood too. No, I'm so happy. Turned out great. All right, so so far this candle is rejecting 139. So that's exactly what we want. Exactly what we want. So now it rejected it. So I want to see a bearish close so we can write the next candle. That would be amazing. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, that's good. Am I late on the chat? Let's take a look. Sasha, the Trixie you need to, okay, hold on. Sasha, the Trixie you need to redraw the whole thing as per your zone, your remark. Yes, yes. But you know what? I like the fact that I need to redo it because it makes me redo my thought process in full, you know? So, and sometimes it's actually funny when I redraw it, I see something I didn't see at first. I was like, oh man, that's why I took a loss. You know, I didn't see that at first. Why not? It's just like, God damn it. And you know, I like the fact that you have to redraw it, to be honest. It's a little bit more work, but, and the other option, you can do it at the same time. If you have two screens or you have a split screen, like on myself, when I don't stream, what I do is on, I got my trading view on one side, I got my Trixie on the other end, I got my first MT4 on my laptop, my second MT4 on my right screen, and on my iPad, I got the Raja stream going on, you know? So what I do is I do my things on TradingView, and when I'm waiting, because we got to wait a lot in trading, right? So when I'm waiting, I'm just waiting for setups. I'm just going to my Trixie and I'm redoing all my zones exactly the same. So that's the two things you can do, you know? So you can do as you go, or you can do it at the end. And sometimes I just didn't have time to do it at the same time. So most of the time I do it like late at night because after the stream, I got to go work. And when I'm late, I don't have time to actually do the journal right away. But that's tricky though, because sometimes I'm going to journal. I'm like, oh man, did I took the entry there or there? I'm like, oh fuck. So now I need to go check to my broker, see the entry. I was like, oh yeah, I took it here. So it's better if you do it as you go, to be honest. Mais oui, il faut que tu refasses tout sur Trixie, mais c'est vraiment un bon outil pour moi. It's a very good tool, Trixie. Amr, hi Sasha, will you wait for bearish candle close or impulse entry? On this one, I'm waiting for close. Because I mean, if I'm waiting for an impulse, that means we need to break this low, and my stop is going to be like super high, you know, so it doesn't make sense. So yeah, I'm going to wait for this candle to close bearish. I want to see a nice, it would be great to get an engulfing bearish. Oh, sorry guys. So yeah, I would like to see a big, not big, but a nice, decent size bearish candle. Winnie. Oh yeah, that was a question for Winnie. Okay. Sasha won his own gulag. Yeah. Yeah. How long did you take to become profitable? It's almost 2 years. Yeah. And to be honest, I don't know if I can call that profitable or not. It all depends on how you calculate it. On my end, I'm going to be profitable when everything I invested into Forex will be payout. So that should be done at the end of this month, to be honest. But yeah, I invested like almost, I don't know, I can't remember how many thousands of dollars in training. So I think I invest probably like around like, I don't want to bullshit, but I think like around 7,500, and if it's not 10K, to be honest. Oh, actually, it's, oh yeah, when I'm thinking about it, yeah, that's 10K in training for sure. Yeah, just one of those was 5,000. So, but yeah, so I mean, almost 5K, almost, yeah, 10K in training. Let's say screens, setups, laptops, table, everything I need. I mean, magic key. I mean, all the tools you need. So I got for over like, I don't know, probably like 20 grand. So plus, I mean, all the losses I had in the past. So that's also like a couple thousand for sure. So I mean, that's how I calculate. So for me, I'm going to be profitable only when this is going to be all paid off, and that should be at the end of this month. So yeah, probably 2 years.
And 6,000 on courses, right? On course.
Oh yeah,
6,000.
training is courses. Yes, it's yeah, over 10K, 10,000.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Invested a lot of money in courses. Some of those were shit. Man, I can't believe, like, that's why right now I'm working on my course, and I don't want to do what others do. Like, I got course. I paid like thousands. I got one in mind. I'm not gonna mention because it's not worth it. But I got one that I paid. I think it was like 1,500, and I was sending question to the guy, and he was never answering me back. I was like, dude, are you freaking serious? I just like spent 1,500 and you're not answering my questions. It's just like seriously, and it was just like videos and bullshit old school videos. I was like, man, oh man, I got trapped into something stupid. And it's probably stupid on my end because I didn't do that much research. So it's my fault. But so when I'm going to be launching the course, I want to make sure that it's not only like videos, it's going to be like a mentorship kind of, so I'm going to be there with you, so like I'm doing right now, basically. I mean, I get tons of DMs, tons, and I think I answer them all, trying to.
No, you're not.
Oh, you man, it's because you man, you are too much. You're pissing me off, so
I don't care. I don't care. That's the same thing what you did to Rajat. You told us.
Yeah,
and you said, I'm going to come to your house. And now I'm going to do that to you.
That's so true. Yeah, man. At first, when I got started with Raja, man, I'm pretty sure I was probably the most annoying student. Man, I was asking so many questions. So many. So that's why I don't mind when people ask questions, because I know we all go through the same thing. And yeah. So, principalement, ce que je disais pour les gens français, c'est ça. Le cours que je suis en train de bâtir, je veux juste pas faire comme les autres, principalement, parce qu'il y en a beaucoup qui font des cours que, man, ils répondent même pas à tes questions. J'ai dépensé pour plus que 10 000 en cours. Il y en a un qui m'a coûté 1 500 puis il répondait même pas à mes questions en message. Je suis en train de devenir fou. J'étais comme, man, je vais descendre à Miami, je vais t'en sacrer une, tu comprends-tu? Je devenais un petit peu tanné, là. Fait que c'est pour ça que le cours que je veux faire, je veux faire sûr que c'est pas juste des vidéos, il y a un mentorship, on va être là pour t'aider, puis comme je fais actuellement, dans le fond, mais plus en détail. All right, looking good now. Looking good. David, why do you have two different MetaTrader? The reason is I'm trading two accounts. So I'm trading my funding talent account on one, and I'm trading my own capital on the other one. Yes, I'm double dipping. I like double dipping. Sometimes people's like, why use funding talent? My answer is like, why not? If you give me the opportunity to make twice my money, I was like, why the hell not? So I don't know. I just think it makes sense. And the other thing too is I wanted to try it because I want to make sure it works, because when I'm going to be launching the course, I want to show people it works, and there's an option for them. If they're consistent, they can jump into this kind of funding program, and it's going to help them. Because most of the time, one of the biggest reasons why people fails in trading, it's because they not sometimes, but most of the time they trade smaller account. And smaller account is hard to trade, and the reason why it's because it's mental. It's a mental game. So if you take a trade and you are, let's say, $5 in profit, $10 in profit, you're gonna say, oh, that's not enough. I'm gonna let that trade run, for a little while because I want more money. And suddenly the trade's gonna reverse in your face, and you're gonna be ending up losing or break even, right? So, but when you're trading bigger capital, suddenly the same trade, you're at $500, $5,000. Oh, well, that's enough. I'm closing, and you're building up you're compounding your account, right? So that's why it's smaller. Sometimes it plays a game, but it's doable. It's good to start small also. And if you're able mentally to say, yes, I'm happy with $5 and $10 or $50, and be able to close that trade into profit, you're gonna be fine. But a lot of people are not able to do that. So, but before joining any funding company though, make sure you're consistent first, because you're just going to be throwing your money out of the window. So, and again, I got started with funding talent, and okay, hold on. Let me set up my MT4 right now, because it looks like I'm going to be entering this trade. So let me see how big is this stop. So this stop is, whoa, that's a pretty big stop here. So let's take a look. Oh no, that's M30. And hold on. Oh yeah, that's 30 minutes. Yeah, that's a pretty big stop. So let's take a look on the 15-minute. Yeah, so I'm probably going to put my stop above the previous 15. Where's my mouse? God damn. Oh, here we go. So the 15 here. Man, that's a pretty big stop. I don't like that. So probably I'm only going to take a small entry because it's a bigger stop. So of course, if you're using percentage-wise, it doesn't matter, because I mean, it's going to adjust to your position, but I'm using fixed lot. So I need to reduce my risk, so yeah, so I just took one entry here. I'm going to wait for a little retracement up to take more entries to get a smaller stop. So yes, that's how I use dynamic risk. So I want to see a candle printing to the upside. I mean a wick printing to the upside. So that's where I'm going to entering more position. Right now I only have one position. And if price doesn't go up, here we go. So now I'm taking another one right here. And I'm taking another one right here. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm just waiting to see if I can sneak in a fourth entry. Especially that price already broke previous low. So here is the fourth one. All right, so all right. So let's move the screen over here. Where is, goddamn, where's this screen? Oh, here. There we go. All right, so sorry guys, so I was managing my screens here, trying to, it's first time streaming at the same time, so I need one more screen, so. All right, so let's see chat here. I'm sad you don't have a course, but I'm happy that I found you, LOL, because I know you learned from him. Yeah, thanks, man. So yeah. Oh, all right, so let's see on YouTube here. Don't you find it hard to trade at least 3 days a week with funding talent? No, because I'm basically trading pretty much every day except for Friday. Friday, I usually don't take trades. I only take trades if I see something very, very solid. Andre, I will first try to be consistent for 3 months before getting a funding talent account. Yes, for sure. Best thing to do. Does Magic Key allows you to trade on both accounts simultaneously? Yes, that's exactly what I did. I just I just move my mouse into the screen that I want to take action on.
Hey, Sasha, did you take a trade? Another one?
Oh, yes.
Sell?
But I forgot to place my partial TPs though. Give me 1 second.
Okay. Yeah, because 30-minute
this up at 11 pips here and on live account also. Partial TPs right here. Set right. All right. Yes, I took the first entry when this candle opened, and I took 3 more entries while retracing up. Like I think my fourth one was like right at the top of the candle. So I got one running at 4 pips profit. I got one at 3, one at 0.8, and one at -4. So. Hi, Sasha. I have a couple of questions for you. Thanks in advance. Is it true that once the live account is reached, you can only trade that first one? No, you can still trade both. You can still trade your live and your kind of demo account on funding talent. So you can still do bi-weekly bonuses and compound your live account also. So. Second one, as I usually trade with percentage based on the account balance, the required fixed lot or percentage is fine for you. I'm the guy who asked you about the link referral for the one. Oh yeah. Yeah, it doesn't matter. You can use percentage base or you can use fixed lots. It doesn't matter for them. They just need you to be consistent. What they don't like is traders to go the risk, let's say, especially if you're on the regular model. If you're in the aggressive model, it doesn't matter. But if you are on the regular model, right now I've got 2 position running at 8 pip and 7 pips and 5 pips and 1 at 2 pips. So it's looking good so far. So basically what they don't like, it's people risking like 1% one day and 10% the other. So they don't like that. They call that unconsistent. They need a consistency, you know, Man, that's a hard word to say for Franglish. So, man, looks like Hamza's counting money right now. Looks like Hamza's counting. I just see papers going like this. I think he's printing money or something. Man, send money this way. Send money this way, bud. God damn. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Junior. So I should be fine. Yes, you should. And again, the referral link for Funding Tab is under the description on YouTube or in my IG bio. Yeah, man, keep me updated. Keep me updated. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good.
Shasha.
Yeah.
Your stop loss will be 15-minute candles on the previous one or the current one?
Right now, it's above the previous 15.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. And of course, I'm going to be trading my stop when that 30-minute close, you know. So, boom, 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 boom. All right. And of course, when this H1 is going to be closing, it's going to be more solid. I like when H1 creates support or resistance. It's usually very well respected. So, bam, 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 bam. Man, this next 4 hour is going to be feeling this way for sure. If it leaves like that. Come on, GJ. Andre, the new Magic Key update is sick. It is. I like it. Multiple partials. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Hey, Sasha, quick question for you. Can you advise us on how you will manage risk if the trade goes against us, or you in this case, sorry?
Yep. Basically, since I took the trade based on the 30-minute, I am willing to wait for a 30-minute close before taking any action. Of course, if we start breaking this high, it's not going to happen because my stop is above the previous 15, right? So, yeah, I know exactly what I'm risking, and I'm going to wait for the close of this. Well, on the next candle, if it start breaking the high of the previous 30-minute, now I'm going to be starting closing position for sure.
Yeah. I see. So regardless of if this current candle closes bear or bull, you'll consider the stop loss if it at the next candle. I got you.
Yes. If this candle, let's say this candle closed like this, okay? If it's closed like this, it's like a doji. So for me, it's like a write-off candle. So I'm going to still put trust into my analysis,
Yeah, I follow you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Because the thing is, there's too many times where I took a trade and I took a trade on the 30-minute on H1 and looking at 15 minutes, set of 15 minutes, like breaking, let's say, the previous high. So I was closing partials, and the second part of the 30 minutes, which the last 15 minutes, started going my way. So I was like, God damn it. So that happened to me too many times. So now I'm just willing to risk it and just making sure that I'm matching. Of course, if it start going up super fast and like crazy, I'm going to start closing for sure, because I'm like, I don't want to get into this. But yeah. Oops, what I did. What the hell I did here. There we go. Right now, I don't like it. Because right now it's rejecting this support. But technically though, this is the most recent traffic. So right now it's rejecting 750, but the previous one closed under 750. So technically we should continue down. And again, if this one closed bullish like this, that means that H1 still closed bearish, right? So we got to see. But of course, if this H1 start flipping bullish, now I'm going to be a little worried. A little bit worried. By the way, I closed, because by mistake, I entered a 5th position. So that one was closed like at 5 pips profit. So, because I didn't want to risk 5 positions. So that was a mistake. So at least all my spread are all covered with that spread and, I mean, commission. Just bought the magic keys yesterday. Can't wait. Funded account, deserve it. Yeah. Magic key is sick, man. Magic key is great because it's gonna take the greed out of you. It's gonna help you manage your risk. Man, I like that device. Man, I remember one time I was on the road for work and I was at the hotel and completely forgot my magic key. Actually, I had my magic key, but forgot that USB thing. And I was not able to use it and I had to trade manually. And to be honest, I was so lost. I was like, oh man, I can't remember how to open a trade. Just like, it got me so confused and so nervous trying to close trades and partials. I was like, Jesus, how people manage that manually? That's crazy. So yeah. Any suggestion on a broker for funded account? I'm personally with Vantage FX, but this is the last month I'm with them. I'm going to be moving to I don't know who, maybe Hugo's Way, because I already have it on my desktop. So just because I'm lazy, because I really don't care, to be honest. I just want a broker that doesn't freeze on me, you know, and add good spread. And if you go with Hugo's Way ECN raw, you should have pretty decent spread. Last time I had a problem with Hugo's Way because I realized I never asked for the ECN raw account, so that was my mistake. But yeah, any broker, to be honest, because I mean you don't really care because it's not basically your real money in that account, right? It's your demo account on Funding Talent. After that, when you got into the real live account, you're with Black Bull Markets automatically, so it doesn't matter. So Black Bull is solid. This is actually my broker for my personal live account. So
Shasha, the
yes.
15-minute candles close now, right? Does it consider as a write-off for the formation of this, like a doji?
Yes, definitely. Yes, for me it's a write-off candle. This doji for me is a write-off candle.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. You see, Vintage just froze on me again. That means volume's coming in. I know for a fact every time it freezes, it's because there's movement happening.
Hopefully to the downside.
Yeah. Man, sorry guys, I forgot the chat on your Zoom for a sec. Right, I recall you saying that. Appreciate that clarity. Oh, okay. 6:30. Multitasking. Why don't try IC market? No. Vintage FX is your leading indicator. Yeah, man. I know for a fact that something's happening. Oh, Jesus. There we go. Coming up, coming down. I mean, yes, baby. Yes.
Come on, partial.
Yes, baby.
Let's go, GJ.
Whoa, what happened with this? Okay, so here we go. All right, closing one position at 10 pips. Here we go. And I'm gonna leave the other one closing at, oh man, my vintage is frozen again. God damn it, I need to close it. Come on. This is so goddamn stupid. Swear to God, if this doesn't hit my PTP because it's frozen, I'm gonna go so mad. Oh man. He actually didn't close my position I wanted to close at 10 pips. I'm trying to open the the software and it's not open. Oh no, now it's open. Come on. Man, can you believe it? I wanted to close a position at 10 pips and now it's reaching. Ah, God damn it. Vintage, FX, if you're listening or someone, like, go screw yourself.
Come on, man.
Seriously, I mean.
Oh man, GJ. It is blamed, man. Let's go.
So dumb. So freaking dumb, man. Goddamn vintage effects. All right, let's go. Come back down now so I can close some of those positions. Once the low are passed, we're gone. Yes, 15-minute candle close bullish. I will close 50%. Yeah, for me, it's a write-off candle. I don't, yeah, it's okay for you if you close, but for me, it's a write-off candle. And yeah. So H1 broke 750. 30-minute broke and closed under 750. So we're kind of retesting that 750 and we broke previous low. So technically we should be good. I mean, I should be good. I don't know about you, but I should be good. Sasha, do you deal? Hold on, wait a minute. I have it running on my phone too, just in case it freezes. Yeah, good. That's actually a good idea. I should do that. Do you have the latest version of the software? Yes, unfortunately. Sasha, how do you deal with it going against you? The candle was going up and you were just stacking position. My palms were sweaty just watching that. Yeah, it took me a while before being comfortable with this idea of dynamic risk, but yeah, I guess it's times, you know, and yeah, it worked my way so many times that I'm feeling okay now. But yes, it's stressful at the beginning. This happened to, yeah, delete and download again and everything became okay. Okay, I'll try that. Thanks. I use the MT5 app. Yeah, I'm on MT4 because Vintage doesn't have the MT5 with the funded talent account. So that's why. Oh, here we go. We're going back down. Come on, baby. Come on, GJ. GJ. Come on, baby.
Ça y va, là. Ça y va.
Il faut que ça y aille, là. Fini le niaisage, calisse, là. Tabarnak.
Ça, c'est très en anglais.
On va mettre un peu de québécois dans ce stream-là. Chris. C'est pas parce que YouTube ne peut pas nous banner ici, ils comprennent pas.
Keep singing, Sasha.
Sorry?
Keep singing.
Yeah, keep singing. Yeah. GJ, 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 G. Oh man, I think I'm scaring GJ now. God damn.
Mark,
Oh,
you put it.
we should fill that wig. We should fill that wig.
Comfortable.
Come on, baby.
Pips.
Here we go. All right. Two position at 12 pips. There we go. PTP it, baby. Yes, baby. Yes. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Trading with the pack. PTP it again. Now, this is the runner running on both accounts. I mean, both account right here. We got stream here. We got YouTube here. So, yes, son.
Let's go.
Yeah, baby. All right. Let's go. All right. So 2 trade call, 2 wins. All right. So let me close that here.
Oh, no, stop that. Sweet.
That's another question for you.
Sure.
When you enter dynamics, is there a couple of pips in mind that you have? Like if it goes up every 2 pips or 3 pips, I'll enter? Or what's your approach and your thought when you enter dynamics?
I try to get at least 2 pips more, you know?
On per entry, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, because I fix my first entry I take is the opening of the candle, right? So when you put your partial TP with magic key, the PTP will be set from your first entry. So that means if I take a position at minus 2 pips, that means that PTP is going to be at 13 on that position.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
Right? So that's what I'm trying to do.
Sasha, my runner gets stopped out.
Really?
Yeah, man, it was hovering about on the PTP, you know, on the line. It was just playing around, you know. So should I go or not? And maybe the spread. I close manually and then retrace, you know. But I win. 2 trades today.
That's good, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Now I secure and I'm done. Easy.
That's it. Now runner is running, so yeah, it should be good, man. We should go tap into 500.
Yeah, we should definitely go to 620. There you go. Woo.
Off to the race. Off to the race. Let me place another partial here. I'm going to be putting a partials at.
Ooh. He was playing on my partials, but now he's just sleeping after going storm me out.
Really?
Yeah. But I go stopped in like after taking partials anyway.
All right, so 2 sales called live and 2 winners. So hopefully you guys got some money out of that. I mean, if you did, I mean, a little share on Instagram or like on the YouTube, that would be amazing, guys.
Yeah.
That would be amazing. And I think I was so excited. I forgot to play our song. Man, we got our own, we got our
Come
own
on,
winning song.
man.
Yeah, baby. Awesome. So excited.
The sound of success.
Yeah. There we go, coming back down. Jonathan, c'est fini, Carlos. Mais, hein? Boum, dans ta face, GG. Oh no. Vintage again froze on me while I'm trying to close one runner. God damn.
It's because you're earning too much, man.
I know.
There is no money in the market anymore because of you.
I wish. I wish. Jonathan close les 2 trades avec 10 pips de profit. Je vous laisse. Bonne journée à tout le monde. All right, Jonathan, bonne journée. Awesome day, Sasha. Well done. Thank you, Karen. Oh, all right. 15 pips. All right. Let's close that one. All right, so now I got only one runner running. So we'll see if we can tap into our final TP. My final TP is at 500. I mean, just a little bit above. At like 5. Where is it exactly? 5.
All right, Sasha, thank you very much. I'm done for
You're
today.
welcome.
See you next week, guys.
Thank you for tuning in and see you next week.
Sweet.
Man, this is not even funny. It actually disconnected, reconnected like 3 or 4 times in a row in the past like 30 seconds. Just so retarded. So retarded. All right. Man, it's so crazy. Appreciate this session, Sasha. Great debut for YouTube. Catch your session next week. Cheese dogs pound. Yeah, thanks. Stop the 15 pips, à peu près right que tu avais. Ouais, à peu près sur les 15 minutes, je me trompe pas. All right. Forgot to share that. I'm gonna share that on Instagram. Let me do that. We're gonna do that. Yeah, baby. Let's go trading with the pack. Man, I'm loud.
Hey, Sasha, can I ask you a question?
Sure. Just give me 1 sec, because I'm the kind of guy that is, my girlfriend tell me that I'm not able to do 2 things at the same time. So I want to be polite with you. So I just want to make sure I understand what you're saying, and I'm writing something. So give me just 1 sec. I'm going to be with you. I'm trying to be honest here. Here we go. Oh, yeah. That's good. And next story, that's going to be this. And of course, oh, that's good. Yeah, this. And of course, we need our winning song out there. So here we go. Here we go. I'm all yours. So what was the question?
J'ai rentré avec vous le trade qu'on a retracé, mais quand on a break le low, j'ai rajouté une autre position. Est-ce que c'est une bonne idée ou non?
Plus ou moins. Tu parles de... Attends un petit peu, juste pour être sûr que je comprends bien. Tu étais sur le 30 minutes? Ou
Sur le 15.
Minutes?
Oui,
OK, sur le 15. OK. Okay. Sur le 15 minutes, quand on a brisé ici?
Oui, le low.
OK. Qu'est-ce qui arrive, c'est que là, ton stop devient vraiment gros et ton TP va être beaucoup plus bas. C'est sûr que ça peut être une façon de faire, c'est ce que je faisais au début. C'est ce que je faisais au début.
TP que la première position.
OK, fait que ton TP peut-être, au lieu d'être à 10 pips, il est à 3 pips, c'est ça. Fait que là, il ne faut pas que tu oublies, tu as le spread et tu as ta commission, OK, à payer à travers ça. Donc, c'est plus ou moins avantageux. Ce que je faisais au début, c'est exactement ce que tu fais parce que j'étais plus ou moins confiant. Tu comprends dans mon analyse? Fait que j'attendais qu'il brise le high ou le low précédent pour rentrer des nouvelles positions. Fait que c'est sûr que c'est plus sécuritaire, si on veut, mais il faut comprendre que c'est moins bénéfique. OK? Donc, c'est sûr que la meilleure façon, c'est vraiment quand ça va vers le haut. Je sais que c'est très contre-intuitif, OK? Et c'est très difficile à faire ça au début, mais ça va venir avec le temps, puis ça va être la meilleure façon de le faire, pour être honnête. Ce n'est pas une mauvaise idée de le faire, mais il faut juste que tu saches que ton gain va être beaucoup plus minime pour le risque que tu vas avoir, parce que ton risque va être, exemple, c'est ça, ton risque est de 15 pips pour un 3 pips de gain. Donc, c'est plus ou moins une bonne chose. Là.
Je faisais ça quand on a un London Open ou quelque chose comme ça.
Exact.
On a le volume.
Oui, ouais, c'est sûr. Ouais. Parce que tu peux espérer que le volume pousse plus bas. Mais comme je te dis, c'est plus ou moins une bonne stratégie à ce niveau-là.
OK, merci.
Pour le risque que tu prends. C'est plus pour ça que je dis ça.
Oui, le risque-reward, il est trop bon.
Exactement.
Merci,
All right, ça fait plaisir, ça fait plaisir. All right, so can we get into that next partial TP that is set at 0.559 for myself? So that's my next partial TP. I'm going to be closing 50% of that last runner. So can we get 559? Where is 559? Let's put a line at 559. 559 is right. Oops. 559. Wait a minute. 559. Wait a minute. 30 minutes. Where's my PTP? At 138.559. Okay, I'm not stupid. 138. Let's put it red. Oh, it's because it's freezing on me. That's why. 559. So that's wow. So on TradingView, it actually reached and broke my PTP. And on my Vantage, it's not even there yet. Oh, here we go. It just hit now. Holy moly. All right. Second PTP hit. Final TP is set at, man, goddamn Vantage, man, it drives me nuts. Oh, man, it drives me nuts. Final TP is set at 503. 503. 503. Where's 503? 503 right here. Setting 503. This is my final TP. So can we get 503? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You know what? We'll do just to do a round number, we're going to do 505. There we go. Oops. There we go. So, whoops. 503, 505. I like round number. So 505. It's a thing I have. All right, so final TP is set. Let's see. Can we do it? Can we do it? Come on, baby. Man, that's such a beautiful day. It's a beautiful
Sur ça, je te laisse.
Hey, bonne journée, Simon.
Reach notre TP, je suis bien content.
Yes, sir, man. Good job.
On se voit la semaine prochaine.
Yes, all right. Attention,
Ciao.
man. Ciao. How you mark that golden zone? It's with the fib. So basically, it's the last impulse to the downside. So basically, from this high to this low, and it's going to give me that golden zone. Ba, 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 ba. Come on, can we get 505? Come on, 505. Man, we were so close to it. So damn close. 505, baby. Man, that was a good win. So exciting. Man, December so far has been like so good. People said it was hard. It was. But man, so far so good. Oh man, I need to trail my stop though. Is this candle closed on the 30-minute? Yeah. Oh yeah, no, I need to wait.
Ça a pas mal trace ce que je voulais que ça trace, puis j'ai pas pris de trade.
Just gonna move my stop into like 2 pips profit. I just hate when it's at break even. It's just a mental game. Qu'est-ce que tu m'as dit toi?
Quand j'ai envoyé mon chart au début, ça a trace
ouais, ça a joué exactement comme tu voulais.
J'ai pas pris de trade. Ouais. Je sais pas. Je sais pas pourquoi. Je suis trop. Ben, en fait, c'est parce que je suis way en positif cette semaine, puis je me suis dit juste.
Ah, that's it, c'est parfait.
Je suis capable de juste regarder le chart à lui.
Ouais. Ben, c'est comme moi, tantôt sur mon live, tu sais, comme sur mon live account, ça commençait à retracer. J'étais comme, oh non, man. J'ai comme closé à 8 ou 9 pips, j'ai pas attendu mon 11 pips de partial sur mon. En fait, c'est qu'il a hit mon partial sur mon funding tag account. Puis sur mon live, je ne sais pas pourquoi il était un petit peu plus bas, ben, j'ai pris mon entrée après, puis il a comme manqué le trigger par 1 point quelques pips, tu sais. Fait que là, j'ai fait comme, ah, fuck off. Je l'ai closé comme à 9 pips, je pense, 8 pips, puis après ça, bam, il a défoncé. J'étais comme, bah. Mais tu sais, c'est ça, sur mon live aussi, je suis vraiment comme en profit, fait que j'étais comme, ah, fuck off, tu sais, je suis content avec ce que j'ai, puis là, tu sais.
Non, c'est juste, ce matin, c'est juste de regarder ce qui se passe, puis essayer de pas. De pas forcer rien. Même si c'était calé, juste comme si je me suis dit que j'allais pas trader.
Ah, that's it. C'est correct que tu respectes ça, pour être honnête.
Parce que c'est quand que tu as dit l'analogie avec Wayne Gretzky, j'ai genre fait c'est pas calme. Let's miss some move.
Ouais, là, c'est ça. Vanessa, later, Sasha. See you tomorrow. All right, Vanessa. So I don't know if it's Vanessa or Jean. So I don't know. But, well. Perfect trade in a bearish trend. Thank you. Hola Electro. There's some funky names on YouTube. So, guys, if you grab one of those 2-win trade we called, I mean, hopefully you're going to like the YouTube. I mean, if you're on Zoom, go on YouTube, go give a like to the stream. And if you got a win, I mean, share your story and tag myself in it, and that'll be amazing. I will reshare for sure. All right, can we get that final TP, man? Come on, we need that final TP. So I can go train, and after that, I'm gonna call it a day.
Moi aussi, j'ai closé partial.
Ouais.
Elle a retracé in the second candle, but j'ai re-rentré.
Ah oui, ok. Ellie, ton français est très bon.
Oui, quand j'étais petit dans l'école, nous avons étudié, mais quand tu seras grand, tu oublies tout.
Ouais, non, c'est sûr, c'est sûr. Surtout si tu n'as pas la chance de pratiquer.
Oui, c'est ça.
I gotta go, Sasha. Thanks for the great stream. Enjoy your day. Thanks, Bill. Thank you very much. I think we had a pretty good session here. Boom, boom, boom. And I did something stupid at the beginning of this new month for my Funding Talent account. I kind of reinstalled Magic Key and didn't change my settings. So I took, I think it was one of the first trade of, yeah, I think it was my first new day or second day. I can't remember. I got 2 trade that I lost, you know, and the first one was brutal because I reinstalled Magic Key and I didn't change my setting. I thought everything was saved, and dumb enough, I took like 5, I think it was like 5 entries. And instead of 5 lots, they were like 10 lots. So my account went down like crazy. Man, at one point, I think after the second day, I think it was like at 91 or 90,000, something like that. I was like, God damn, I'm stupid, you know? So pretty happy that I'm back up there now. So back in profit. So I mean, almost. I'm at 99,700 right now. So we're gonna be able to close this month in profit. So that's amazing. Come on, GJ.
As-tu un monthly target?
J'essaie de faire 10.
OK. Ouais.
J'essaie de faire 10 000. Ben, pas j'essaye, mais c'est ça, j'ai fait le mois. Tu sais, le mois passé, j'ai fait comme 9,8.
Ben là, c'est extrêmement bon.
Fait que j'essaie de me tenir là-dedans. Là. Mais tu sais, je regarde pas vraiment. Au début, je me mettais des objectifs par jour, puis je trouve que ça jouait avec mon mental.
C'est clair. Ouais, non, c'est clair.
Fait que je sais tu sais, j'ai mon overall target, puis fait que je gauge là-dedans. Mais... Hey Sasha, I came from Raja Stream. How often do you stream? I only do Tuesday and Thursdays, and stream on YouTube is new. I was only doing Zoom before, so this is new because I had some people in French that didn't have access to Zoom, so we decided to host it on YouTube for them. So yeah, so Tuesday and Thursday, 6:30. But maybe that next week I'm going to start the stream at 5:30. So an hour early. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. But the thing is, 5:30 is early. I'm not awake still, you know. I wake up at 5. I'm on my chart at 5:05, let's say. Do my chart. Yeah, I guess we can start at 5:30. My voice is going to be all weird, but that's fine. But if you want to know everything about when it's happening and where, and the best thing is the, of course, my IG story, but the Telegram group. And the Telegram group, the link is available in my bio. That was amazing, man. 2 sales today, 2 wins. Man, oh man. That was pretty good. The first sales went so fast that I didn't take a picture. Did I? I think I didn't. Let me check. Did I? Did I take a picture of the first one? No. Did I? No, I didn't. It is what it is. Yeah, it's a pretty good day, man. We're tracing up, seriously? Come on, I want my 505. GJ, come on. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. And at this point, I only have a tiny position, so I don't really care. Just for the fun of getting that full TP. And it's 9:18 now. I gotta go get ready for work, so I'm gonna let that trade run. My stop is in, I think, 2 pip profit, and my final TP is set at 505. So we'll see if we get it or not. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next week on next Tuesday. And by the way, we're gonna do Talk Over a Beer episode on Wednesday and Friday now.
Oui.
So we're gonna do that.
J'ai manqué la première.
So we're gonna try to do it on Friday. So alright guys, take care. Thank you. Bonne journée tout le monde. Merci beaucoup d'avoir été là. Puis on se revoit mardi prochain. Sinon vendredi, on va avoir un épisode de Talk Over a Beer. Puis that's it. Have fun.
Take care. Take care.
Bye.
Ciao.
Stefan, thanks. Sorry, guys, I didn't watch the chat. Sorry. Thank you, Sasha. Just got my magic key. Only gonna figure out how to use it. Yeah, practice on the demo account first. Thank you, man. This is not just signals, but a live stream. Hope you never make this money membership. Yeah, no, it's gonna be a course, but not membership based. Oh my God, combien de bières t'as bu ce soir-là? Lol, 10. Yeah, non, j'ai fait un petit party, mettons. An hour before Raja would be great. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you, Sasha. Thank you. Thank you from Philippines. Damn. All right, boy. Philippines in the house. All right, so where do you that sell? Oh, just watch the replay. You're gonna see we explain, I think, 2 or 3 times the first sell we took. All right, guys, take care. Have a good one. Meeting is now streaming live on YouTube, but how? Okay, stop live streaming.